Sound check. Testing. Sound check. This is a sound check from the YouTube account and Substack of Queer Possible, of Katie and Dar. Sound check. Testing. Testing. Close mic. Background noise. Radiohead. Making sad people happy and happy people sad since the 80s. Testing. Today, I did something that might make the Republicans and Trumpers proud of me. I mopped my floor barefoot. Lacking a uterus, of course, I could not completely fulfill the bill. Testing. This is a sound check by Queer Possible. If you read this sound check, please feel free to give feedback. This is a test.